Welcome to the Goneedle channel. Today I'm going to be going over the text panel. So to start, let's go to the left and click text. Type up something random, just to put it there. Now, once you tap this, you'll see a bunch of these different options up here at the top. So to start, you can go to font, you can click down, and there are multiple fonts you can choose from here. So at the top right over here, you can see there's three options, either All, System, or Cricut. All is simply System and Cricut combined, and System would be any fonts that you have on your computer or downloaded. Cricut are all the fonts that Cricut provide you with. And if you'd like, if you know the name of your font, you can search it right here, whatever you'd like, and that's the font panel. And now when you look up here, there's also style. So there's different ways you can style it. You can have just regular like it is here. You can make it bold. You can italicize it, or any of the others. And now the next one to the right is font size. This is pretty simple. This will, when you bring it down, it'll make the font smaller, and when you bring it up, it'll make the font bigger. You can do this from here, or simply just by moving the font up and down. On top of that, you have letter space. So you can make this bigger or smaller. What this will do is make the space in between your letters either smaller or larger. So if you have it as 4, it'll spread it out. And if you have it as 0.5, it'll make them much closer together. And to the right of that, you have line space. So if you had multiple lines, say you add a line under this and say hello world again, changing the line space would make it so these are farther spread, or if you like, much closer. And now on top of that, you have alignment. So this is simple. You can either align it to the left, to the right, or to the center, depending on where you keep your project. And then if you have one line of text, you can use the curve option. This is simply to curve your text forward or downward or upward, like so. I'll keep it at the middle for now, 0. And then after that, you have advanced. So what you can do is you can ungroup this to individual letters. So now each one is separate. Or there are other options. There's ungroup to lines if you had multiple lines, or ungroup to layers if you had a font with multiple layers.